Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can navigate the EarnersPay platform as a beginner, and also I'm going to be sharing so many information in this video, so make sure you watch the video to the end to get more details about EarnersPay and more details about affiliate marketing and how you can be successful through affiliate marketing. So first of all, if you are registered on EarnersPay, and when you sign up, your dashboard is going to look like this, and this place you see to everyday life is going to be 0000, because this is the amount I was able to earn on this platform recently. So this is this, so 00. So you come to these three lines at your left hand side. You see the product marketplace, your affiliate marketing sales, withdrawals, your affiliate rank, AMB leaderboard, NAG leaderboard, faster your sales, general leaderboard, affiliate community, and connect with us. So I'm going to start with product marketplace. Product marketplace is where you get access to different courses you can promote to earn money. So I'm going to tap on it right now. So I'm going to allow it to load. So these are so many courses you can promote. The new being affiliate marketing guide, ANG. So you can promote this called affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing for beginners, A and B, is for those that want to learn anything about affiliate marketing, that want to learn about content writing, how to find the hot product and sell, how to sell using WhatsApp sales funnel, converting interested people to buyer, organic traffic using faceless marketing, how to get all the buying customer. So if you want to become an affiliate marketer, you need to get the affiliate marketing for beginner course. That is where you will get all the details about affiliate marketing and different skills that you need there to be successful in your affiliate marketing business or offline business. So these are so many courses you can promote to earn commission. As a beginner, it is not compulsory for you to promote the course you bought. It's not compulsory for you to promote the affiliate marketing course. There's a lot of course you can promote here. So this is gets paid to charge and talk to friend, and this is ghost writing earning. This is Google has Market Expo, and TikTok has mystery courses guide, and YouTube income generator, and a lot. Dollar growth blueprint, trade and cover made easy, the ghostwriting prophet data freedom. So just go through it. You see different courses you can promote on this platform. So let me say, okay, I want to promote this course. Let me just choose this course. Let me say I want to promote sell like a pro. So before I show you how you can copy your link and how you can promote, let me just show you some. Okay, this course, the newbie affiliate marketing guide, is $8, and you are going to earn a commission of 63% commission. So you are going to earn $5 commission, and this one is $10. That is 10,000 on this platform. The dollar rate is 1,000. So this cost right now is 10,000. You are going to earn 60% commission. So that means you are earning 6,000. This one is $10. You are going to earn 62% commission. That means you are earning $6,200. If you convert it, this is $10, $40. This is $40. It's good writing $40. That's 40,000. If you are able to promote it and get more sales, you are going to be earning 50% commission. You are earning $20. That's 20,000 on each sales. What I love about affiliate marketing is all about is that on every sales you earn commission, and every sale, if it's 100 people that sign up to get that course, you are going to earn commission on each of that people. So that is the beauty of affiliate marketing. This $20, you just promote any course. So you can see this is $8, $30. You're going to earn 60% commission. So that is the beauty of affiliate marketing. You can earn a lot of money. You can even earn more than your salary, more than people working as 9 to 5. Do you understand? So let me show you how you can copy your link. Assuming I want to promote this affiliate marketing for beginners, A and B, I'm going to tap on the promote. You're going to tap on the promote. So it's going to load. This is an online course that teaches newbies how to earn legit income online through affiliate marketing. In this course, they are going to learn how to create and set up affiliate account for free, how to find the hot product to sell and earn, how to sell using WhatsApp sales funnel to convert organic traffic, how to get more people to buy using food, and a lot of things are going to earn. And also they'll have access to certificate. So let me assume that you want to promote this. You are going to come to this place, you are going to slide, you are going to tap on this this copy your affiliate link below, the first one, copy your affiliate link, then you tap on copy. Can see affiliate link copy to clipboard. So you are going to paste it on your notepad. So whenever someone requests for this course, you send your affiliate link, and when that person purchases the course, you earn commission directly to your EarnersPay wallet, and then you withdraw it to your local bank account. And on this platform, you can withdraw instantly, but you only have access to withdraw 3 times in a day. Take note, 3 times in a day you can withdraw. So if you have 2 sales today and you want to withdraw it, you can withdraw it instantly. And then so make sure you decide to accumulate all your money before you withdraw, because you only have access to withdraw 3 times in a day. So you have instant payments. You can withdraw anytime you want on EarnersPay platform. That is why I love EarnersPay platform. If you earn just now, you can withdraw instantly as far your sales is recorded on the EarnersPay platform. So that is it. And I want you to take note of this before you promote a course. Now that you have copied the link, now that you have copied the link, you need to tap on the link. You need to go through the sales page to get more details about the course. What is your audience going to get from that course? Because let me tell you something, people don't buy product, they buy the solution they are getting from that product. So make sure the course is solving someone's problem. Do you understand? So whenever you want to promote a course, you need to find out about the course. You need to find out about the product. What are your audience going to get from that product? What is it solving? Let me say, assuming you want to promote a graphic design courses. Graphic design courses will teach people how to create a flyers, a banner, business card, a lot of things. So you need to know what your audience is going to get from the course before you promote. After knowing the benefit of that course, then you need to check the commission. Are you satisfied with the commission that is going to be given to you? And on affiliate marketing, you don't have say on the commission you are going to get. Everything has been fixed there. So your commission on affiliate marketing depends on the higher the price of the course. So it depends. Some course was like $40, and the product creator can set, so can want to pay 50% out of that $40. So that is, you're going to be earning like $20. That's 20,000. So those promote because that solve people problem. That's what we call affiliate marketing. So for that, I hope you have understand. If you have any question on that, you can send me a message or send me or write it on the comment section. So this is affiliate sales. This is your affiliate sales. You can type on affiliate sales. You just get some details. Affiliate sales is going to load. This is affiliate sales. I've been able to generate 2 sales. So this is affiliate sales. Okay, I've been able to generate 2 sales. Track your affiliate sales. That's for that. Withdraw. You can, if you want to withdraw, you come to this withdraw. You tap. Okay, this place available balance is 00. If I was able to get sales $15, I'm going to tap on this withdraw fund, and then it's going to withdraw. So can you see total amount withdraw is $12. So that is for that. That's for withdraw. Your affiliate marketing rank. So that one is not showing. So the AMB leaderboard is going to show you the top affiliate people. So you just go through it. Can you see? This is one of my mentors among the top 3. So this you can see. So that is for that NMB. So the NAG, so leaderboard, and so just go through it. Just make sure you go through it to get more details about, and it's very easy to navigate. So do you understand? So now if you have signed in and you want to make sure you know affiliate community, when you tap on affiliate community, you are going to join the WhatsApp group where you get information, different trainings. You ask questions from your top athletes, and then they tell you how they were able to generate sales or how they were able to earn money. So that's for that. So if you have signed in and you have not set up your account details, you tap on this icon, this woman icon, then you come tap on my profile. Do you understand? You come to my okay, so your account is fully active and is currently active, access value until October. So then you come to this place, your bank name, you select it, tap on you select your bank name, you write your account number. It's going to, after selecting your bank account, your account number, it's going to bring out your number, and then you tap on update. So that is it. And also current password, because if you sign up on this, it's going to if you sign up on this platform, it's going to give you a code, a sign-in code of 12345. So you can come to this place to change the password. You can change your password, or you want to use the password that was sent to you through the NSP, you can continue. But 1234 is very common, so it's very risky for you to lose. So you have to come here to change, and then you tap on update. That is what you are going to be using to sign in. So that is for how to navigate on NSP. So I'm going to explain in details what affiliate marketing is all about. Affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is recommending or selling of people's data products to earn commission. In affiliate marketing, you don't need to have your own personal product. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to import a product. You don't need to take a stock of a product, and also you don't need to deliver a product. Your own is just to connect the product creator or the manufacturer with the consumer. When the consumer gets the product, you earn your commission direct to your NSP wallet, and then you withdraw it to your local bank account. What I love NSP that it pays in dollars, it pays in naira, and so that is, you can't complain that okay, I can't do affiliate marketing because it does not pay to my country. So you see, it pays in dollar and it pays in naira. So you can sign as far as you're in Africa, you can sign up on NSP platform and you start to promote people to that product, and you earn a lot of money. Let me assume you promote a course that was like let me say 10,000. Your commission is 6,000. 6,000 times 10 says is 60,000. 26 times 6,000 is 126. So assume you're able to be generating 10 sales every week, 10 sales every week. That is 60,000. Calculate it. Calculate it. That is, you are earning 240 in a month. So you can. What I love about flip market, that you can earn a lot of money on the, and you can earn a lot of money. And if you decide not to, if you don't want to do affiliate marketing for a long time, or you don't want to do affiliate marketing because you want to support your ideas, or you want to support the skills you learn offline, or you need money, you can start affiliate marketing on NSP with a token, just a token. So if you want to get access to NSP, you want to sign up, you just have to register with a sum of $10,000. It's a one-time payment. After that payment registration, you are not going to pay any money again. You are not going to pay money. You are going to have access to the course, the affiliate marketing beginner course, and also you have access to your affiliate platform where you can promote different courses. What I love affiliate marketing about is that you can promote as many courses you want, as far as you understand the course, as far as you know what your audience are going to gain. Then you create content around it, and then you post, and when someone sign up through your link or ask more information about this product, you can talk about it, and then the person can get it. So that is the benefit of affiliate marketing. So if you want to start now on NSP, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link and then sign up. And also, if you have any question, just write it on the comment section. I'm going to reply. And also, if you want to talk to me direct to my WhatsApp, direct to my WhatsApp account, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link, and then you get access to my WhatsApp number, and then we can talk better. So this is the right time for you to start earning with your smartphone. Your smartphone is not for just browsing or gisting or watching celebrity lifetime. No, you need to make use of your your smartphone to earn a lot of money. Now, earning money is very easy. Affiliate market is very easy, and the funnest part of it is that it does not has age limit. Even though you're 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, you can sign up on affiliate marketing. As far as you have a smartphone, as far as you have data, you can sign up on affiliate marketing. So right now you need to start. Even though you are a 9 to 5 workers, you are a full housewife, a student, undergraduate, corper, a job hard, you can start affiliate. As far you understand English, as far you can read and write, you can start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing business is the best business you need to start, and the fastest business, because you have access, apart from even earning, you have access to learn different skills, and you have access to connect with top affiliate market. You have access to connect with people that have earned a lot of money through online space. So right now you need to click the link in the description below to sign up. And if you have any question to ask me, just send a message, and then I'm going to reply. So this is year 2026. I want you to understand something. Nobody will help you. You are the only one that can help yourself. You don't need to. What I love on affiliate market is that you don't need a lot of capital to start this business. You just need a little capital. That is 10,000. That is $10. So if you want to get started right now, just click the link in the description below to sign up, and then get access to your course, and then get access to your affiliate platform, and start to promote a course. And make sure Very important. Make sure you go through your course, and if you have any question about it, don't send a DM to him. I'm going to reply. I'm going to reply to your question. So I hope you have learned one or two things in this video. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and make sure you subscribe. We are going to meet at the top. So if you want to get started right now, click the link in the description below. Click the link in the description below and get started. Register with the sum of 10,000, and you are not paying any money. Registration is just a one-time payment, a one-time payment. After the registration, you are not paying any amount. So take action right now. Take charge of your life. You are the only one that can change your life. So take charge right now. So God bless you. God bless you.